Hi friends, this is Kris with Josephine's Design. I am back with an alternative idea for what you can do with your June journal if you have the kit. So, of course, I've already put the cover on, and like I said earlier, I trimmed the edges on this one. And then I just went in and went to my paper stash. Now, because I make the kits, sometimes I have extra papers, so I added those in. Sometimes I have extra paper I can add in. And so this is all I did. I just went in and pre-laid every single page in this journal, and I'm going to show them to you quickly so you can get some color combination ideas in your own journal with your own kit for whether you're using it for your faith journaling or you're going to use it for memory keeping. I made this for us to be able to take on our summer trips and put in our pictures. And it begins with our conference we went to this last weekend. I will start there. Though it started, I think, May 31st. Oh, I skipped a page. So I will leave, if I have a page every now and then, I may leave it blank or I may come back in and do some other things. We'll see. But every now and then I'd miss a page and I was like, I would try to go back and cover them and then I would think, maybe I should have left that open. So I'm going to definitely leave that open for now. And anyways, and I love that combo right there. It's one of my favorites. And I love these two together. So, and these, I really think those are pretty together. So anyways, long story short, some of this, but I just added in more paper. You could use plain paper. You could use whatever paper you have and make it so that you can turn your kit into a journaling kit. I love that too, that combo. So that tore. So I wanted you to see I had a different kind of tape runner and it tore the page. I pieced back down the paper, and then what I'm going to do is make sure that I cover that with some of, so in here I have this all set up. It has all my extra papers, and so what I can do is literally take a piece like that and cover it and then put my pictures down. So it's all good. It's totally fine. I am, when you have a boo-boo, there's ways to fix it. I'm telling you, they make a sticker for that. You can put a sticker on there if you have that extra kit or you bought one of the kits and you're using it for this purpose. So, see, here's another empty one. So I think that will stay. And okay. And the reason why is, guys, it just, when you're doing this, I was doing this at night. So this is the back inside cover, and then that's it. So what I'm going to do with my kit, I've got everything set up here. I have some extra things. I put some extra things in my kit. I have some letters. I have some other things. I may or may not use the June sticker. I may or may not use the Monday through Friday. I may or may not use the dates. Who knows? But I have all of just things that I had from my stash extra from when I make the kits. Some things that I had in the kit. All kinds of goodies here. I have them by size down in here. Whoops. I have some tear and tape. I was one tear and tape short on the kits, so I grabbed some other tear and tape I had. I threw it in here. I've also got my cards. I've got everything that came in the kit, and I just put it in here. I also have my little calendar, so I may pull out the June, July, August, put that in, and go from there. So I put everything in here that are like my extras. I also put some things in here that I might want to add in. This is from Tony Evans, Dr. Tony Evans, who we love. And so this is his newsletter. And sometimes I just find things like godliness is the hallmark of Christian life and the source of your personal spiritual power, contentment and satisfaction. I could cut that out and that could be a header on one of my pages. Or maybe on one of my journaling pages and talking about that. And then there's questions of the many names of God. Which one is the most meaningful to you? And he gives his answer, and he says Adonai because Adonai means boss. That's his answer. And he gives like three different questions. There's also a woman-to-woman section that is written by his daughter, Crystal Evans Hurst. Remember, Priscilla Shire is also his daughter, and Tony Evans is also his son, and they all have ministries. So, and then I think he has some other children too. I thought one other, but there may be more. So it's just a great way to take those things we get in the mail, repurpose them, use them in our journals, our faith journals. We can use them in our memory keeping. So I can use it here in my faith journal to spark journaling ideas on the written sides and or in my my memory keeping. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've gotten some ideas. I hope you see that you don't have to just use this as a faith journal. You can also use this as a memory keeping album. And so, you know, this is the perfect size. If you're traveling, just put it in a Ziploc bag, carry it with anything extra you want to add to it. Wherever you go throughout your trip, phone ahead in the Walgreens app, wherever you can get pictures printed, Sam's, wherever. I don't remember who else is doing it. It used to be Walmart, and then you can get those printed, pick them up when you hit that town, and then go to the next town. And you could be putting those in your album while you're traveling. For us, we will spend a lot of time on the road, and we are driving to our place that we're going to this summer, and it can be literally a 2-day drive if we're not careful. So I think, though, we made it in 1 day on the way home this last year, and so I think that's what we're going to do again. So, but here are 2 alternatives to these journals. All right, friends, I hope that encourages you. I hope this sparks you on. On this one, by the way, it'll say vacation. This one's going to say vacation because the bulk of our vacation will be July and August. So, all right, friends, I hope this encourages you. Like, subscribe, share with anyone, leave a comment, tell me your thoughts, tell me how you're going to use your journal, if you're going to use it for faith journaling, if you're going to use it for memory keeping, and last but not least, you know, or if you're going to give it away, and that would be a wonderful gift. So I've given these away, and they're wonderful gifts to give. All right, friends, I do have 1 kit left. If you're interested, email me at josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com. Put in the top header, June Faith Journaling Kit. And then I will look at that, and then we can talk by email, and I'll tell you what happens. The kits are 15 plus, so they come like this. 15, now all of this is from here. 15 plus $5 shipping. So, all right, friends, now, I think that's it. I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. And as much as I love you, God loves you so much more. Keep seeking Him in everything you do. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Love y'all. Bye.